You can benefit a lot from introducing blueberries into your diet, for they are one of the best fruits you can consume. These amazing fruits are extremely high in antioxidants, nutrients, and fiber. However, probably only a few of you knew that by freezing them you can make them even healthier. The plain truth is that blueberries possess so many health benefits that it is simply impossible to list them all. And the secret behind their even doubled value when frozen is that freezing increases the concentration of anthocyanins in them. Anthocyanins are natural anti-inflammatory chemicals that are believed to have anti-cancer properties. The amount of anthocyanins grows once you freeze berries. Some of the benefits of blueberries. Advantages in the digestive tract. Blueberries are not only an excellent source of fiber because of which the digestive system works regularly, but they also have an abundance of antioxidants that protect the digestive tract from damage. It is a fact that our overall health depends on good digestion. Due to frozen blueberries' benefits for digestion, you will have a lower risk of developing colon cancer. Improved body functions. We all know that the more we invest in our health now, the more it will pay off later. It is highly advisable to start eating frozen blueberries as soon as possible in order to protect your body and brain during aging. Healthy heart. One of the best properties of frozen blueberries is their ability to keep the heart healthy. By consuming frozen blueberries you will reduce the risk of heart diseases, strengthen the arteries, and as a result of that, blood pressure will maintain healthy and stability. Reducing the risk of dementia. The risks of Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia that come with aging can be minimized by consuming frozen blueberries. It comes as a result of the anthocyanins found in frozen blueberries. These miraculous ingredients improve the function of memory, which makes it easier to remember memories. In addition, they support neuronal connections in the brain. The more neural connections you have when you grow old, the more you will be protected from cognitive problems. They protect the nervous system. The regular consumption of these amazingly healthy berries leads to the protection of the nervous system from damage. Frozen blueberries provide health and strength to the nervous system.